guys, welcome to Mick Mack Kitchen again with me, Christina Hann. In this episode, we're going to make larb guy or larb chicken. Let's get started. Put in 1 cup of glutinous rice. Toast the rice in medium heat. Toast it until brown. Pound the rice in a mortar or blend it in a blender. Grind into a coarse powder. Put ½ cup of water into your pot and put in 400 grams of minced chicken. I wanted my chicken to have some flavor too, that's why I put in 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Make sure your chicken is cooked and turn off your burner. I added in 2 big shallots that I sliced, 2 tablespoons of sugar, another 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, I added in 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and juice of a lime. Added in ½ cup of green onions. ½ cup of fresh chopped coriander. Some fresh mint leaves. I had like 20 to 25 leaves. And the last thing, ground roasted rice. You only put it in when you want to eat it. If you don't want to eat it yet, just wait, put it in later.